Module 8, Teaching Writing Old Tricks and New Ideas, Teaching Early Learners to Write Letters and Numbers Correctly. Research shows that handwriting is a foundational skill that can influence students' reading, writing, language use and critical thinking. It has an important role in brain development. Teaching children to write, alongside technology in the classroom, is necessary as it promotes success in other academic subjects. According to scientific studies, children learn best by engaging in hands-on, multisensory learning that incorporates the five senses. Multisensory instruction can also help children with or without developmental dyslexia improve their writing skills. Following are some multisensory/hands-on approaches to teaching children to write letters and numbers. 1. You can show the child a letter and ask him or her to pay attention to how it is formed or shaped. Then ask your child to try to trace it from memory on surfaces like a table, door, window, etc. If the child is struggling to trace or guess the letters, have her put their hand on yours while you trace the letter, or put your hand on hers while you guide her to trace the letter. You can even trace the letter on your child's hand and have her guess it, and ask her to trace the letter on yours and have you guess it. 2. Writing the letters/numbers in stencils helps a child to naturally practice correct formation. 3. Students can trace with arrow cues on a piece of paper or dry erase board. For example, draw arrows as per the shape of the particular letter and ask the child to follow them to form the letter. Once they have adopted it in several sessions, ask them to trace without arrow cues. You can use a handwriting workbook such as letter tracing or a dry erase book where the child can erase and rewrite the letters or numbers as often as they want. 4. You can make the child feel magnetic letters or letters made with Play-Doh. Then let them describe the shape as they feel. 5. You can make use of sand or shaving cream to trace the letters, as sometimes it is difficult to make a child write on paper. 6. Talk about letter formation while you look at, write or trace the letter. For example, describe what a letter looks like. The letter B has a straight line and two curves coming out to the right. The letter C looks like a crescent moon. The letter E looks like a comb with some missing teeth. The letter V has two slanted lines that meet at the bottom, etc. First, describe it to the child and then have the child describe it to you. Children need to work on mastering one letter before moving on to the next one. Mastering means they can correctly write the letter on a piece of paper from memory. It is important to remember to always stay calm while working with a child or student, even if you think they should be getting something that they are not getting.